Hello everyone, so this video is related to Microsoft 365, how Katalon is handling Microsoft 365. So for this demo I'm basically capturing, I have recorded a script in Katalon Studio. So I'm logging into the Microsoft 365 account, and then I'm creating a new lead, and then I am deleting the created lead. So let's go back to the Katalon Studio. See here you can see I have recorded a script for Microsoft 365, and all my objects are here inside this folder. Everything is here that I have used here. So let me run this script. So I can click on this, so Katalon will start running the same script on the selected browser. So by default I have selected the Chrome, so this script will run on a Chrome browser. Yes, so let's wait for a few seconds. Here you can see Katalon started running your script on our browser, and selected browser is Chrome, and now it's logging into the Microsoft 365 with my credential, and finally it will wait until this Microsoft 365 is now displaying, and finally it will click here, then it will click for creating a lead, and finally enter all the details here, and you can see the speed, the execution speed is very well, and finally it's clicking on the lead, and finally you can see whatever lead I have created it displaying here with the name, with my name Kumar.9, and finally Katalon Studio will delete this lead for me. So I have added a wait so that you guys can see it, and now the wait is over. Anytime Katalon can click on this and delete the created lead. Yes, it's clicked, and finally it's deleted, and now it's log out successfully from your account, and here you can see your test case got successfully passed on a Chrome browser. Yes, thank you.